True strength is not in defeating others, but in conquering your fears and doubts. Great people conquer themselves every day, learning from their mistakes, accepting failures, and turning them into stepping stones to success without losing faith in their own abilities. A person cannot change the flow of time, but they can change their attitude towards it. Time is not an enemy, but a friend if you learn to use it wisely. The most valuable thing we have is not money, but time, which can be invested in what truly matters. The world around us is a mirror of our thoughts. If your mind is filled with fear and doubt, you will see chaos and disorder around you. But when you focus on harmony and kindness, the world begins to respond in kind, and everything around becomes clearer and brighter.
Love is not just what you feel, it's what you do. True love shows itself in care, attention, and patience. It is ready to sacrifice for the happiness of another, but never loses its own dignity and self-respect. True happiness doesn't come from what we receive, but from what we can give. When you share your joy with others, you create an atmosphere of warmth and harmony around you, and the world starts to seem like a much brighter and kinder place. The most important thing in life is not how many times you fall, but how many times you can get up after falling. Success comes to those who are not afraid of mistakes, who understand that every failure is a step towards perfection and growth. You may never change the entire world, but you can change yourself. And by changing yourself, you start to change the world around you. Your influence on the world begins with your thoughts, words, and actions, and over time, these changes can lead to bigger transformations. When you truly want something, the whole world helps you get it. But it's important not just to wish, but to act. The universe responds to your actions, and the more effort you put into your dream, the closer it becomes. Wisdom doesn't come with age, but with experience. It's not how many years you've lived that matters, but what lessons you've learned from what you've gone through. The ability to learn from mistakes and not repeat them is the true indicator of inner growth. Fear is just a shadow that hides your true potential. When you allow fear to control you, you limit your development. But once you step out of your comfort zone and face your fears head on, you unlock a new strength within yourself.